She get it from my mama. She get it from my mama. She get it from my mama. Oh, where she get her eyes from? She get it from my mama. Oh, where she get her thighs from? She get it from my mama. Where she learn how to cook from? She get it from my mama. Oh, where she get the looks from? She get it from my mama. Oh, where she get that ass from?
Hello y'all and welcome back to my channel. I'm looking kind of rough here. I have something very exciting in store today. Since how last Sunday was Mother's Day, I came up with something kind of cool. I'm going to create a look, only products that my mother has purchased for me. I mean, there was a couple things like maybe a mascara, but very minimal that I couldn't find that my mother gave me or bought for me. So I just used something that reminded me of her, something I know for a fact she used. So I just want to say, Mom, this video is dedicated to you. I love you so much. Thank you for everything you've done for me through the years. I am so grateful to have you. Okay, with that, let's get right on into it. Enjoy. The thing we're gonna do is go into primer. My mom gave me this Smart Cover Moisturizing Primer. I'm gonna put that especially in the areas where I have the most problem. Foundation that my mother didn't purchase, but she was with me down in Daytona. I got this in a Walgreens. It's the Revlon Photo Ready Airbrush Effect Foundation. Stay true to the video and pretty much use only things that remind me of my mother or my mother paid. Does your mom buy you makeup and you're over 30? Leave a comment in the comment section down below. My mother treats me as if I'm still her baby. She loves me so much. She supports me in everything I do. Loves makeup as well. Right here, I'll insert a picture of her. She's so into makeup. It's so fun because I call her every single day. I live in Florida. She lives in Jersey. I call her every day to tell her about my YouTube videos. She's my biggest fan. She always watches my tutorials. So anyways, I'm just blending this in with a Morphe M439 brush. Voila, now that my brows are did, we're gonna go right into concealer. This concealer from Amazon, but it's only because my mother said she watched a commercial on it. This was super cheap. I don't even know if they sell it anymore. On this is super thick. You literally need that much. It's a lot of pigment. You know what this is? This is like stage makeup. I'll tell you something, if you don't get this powdered up, it will crease to the high heaven. Concealer is amazing for doing a cut crease. This concealer. It's called the Instant Cover Medium, and look how light it is. That's medium. We're going into the Coty Airspun. I did purchase this myself at Walmart. However, I remember being a little girl. I remember that my mom always uses powder. Just use this. It's funny how history repeats itself. Fiji 2. Before I put the powder on the brush, I'm gonna blend it in one more time. Creasing, I'm gonna go into the lid of this Airspun, and I am baking. I'm gonna bake on the side. So now that we look crazy, I'm going to go into the eyes. Mommy did give it to me. It is the Pirates of the Caribbean Lorac palette. I am going to go in this with a clean buffing brush. Pirate's Chest, right here. Just gonna tap into that color. I'm gonna put that right above my transition and buff it out. I'm only using this palette for the transition color, I think, because I have so many palettes that she gave me. Anastasia Soft Glam palette. She bought me this on our last adventure together when she was here visiting. And you know what? I'm not bothered by this brush, so I'm gonna go into this color right here. Let me tell you the name, just in case I forget to write it. Rustic. Okay, and I'm gonna put that right into the crease and a little bit into the V. I lay it down, then I take the blending brush and I buff it out. Some people don't do that. I like to do that. On the other side, boop, go into Rustic again. You really just have to tap with these palettes. It's not a digging thing because these are super, super, super pigmented. I want to tone that down a little bit, so I'm going to go into Orange Soda from the Anastasia palette on my blending brush. Tap off the excess, and I'm going to go right back. I promised my mom I would get into this palette. She bought this for me for my birthday. It's the Urban Decay Mundas palette. 4 super glittery shades. Concealer on my lids first. Go with this and see how it's pointed. Just dip into that concealer and I'm gonna outline my crease. Packs a lot of pigment just to give the eye some dimension. So this color right here, taking the brush that goes with it. Don't underestimate. Don't sleep on this brush. And I'm going to put that into the inner corner of my eye. Brow bone. Put that right here into the crease. I might have done this part already too, but if you forget, you just want to do it again. Back into the moon dust palettes. Back into that orange. And pack that bad boy on the lid. And Cypress Umber and deepening up that crease. Just in with this V. Do you guys see what I'm doing? Moonchild palette into that pink color with some clean fingers. And take it right over there. That brow bone. Hello, Pigman. How are you? You've been on my life. However, my daughter did give me this 438, and we're gonna dust off our bake. Guess what? You just wiped off all that fallout with the powder. So now you're looking really good. My mom didn't buy it for me, but when I told her I got this, she went right out in the store and got it for herself. And that means a lot to me because that shows me that she listens to what I'm saying. My mom got this same blush. I got this as a free sample from Sephora for my birthday, but my mom has the same one, so it makes me think of her. It's the Amazonian Clay 24-hour blush. It's amazing. And we're just going right over that contour. It's natural flush. Excess. Go here last because you don't want to look crazy. Moving right along. Soft Glam. And I am going to go into Cypress Umber. I'm going to get it right there. And we leave it just like that. Just kidding. Let's go back with the G2 brush. Go into my Coty Airspun. Excess. No need to pour more. And just go over it. Highlighter, the highlighter that my mom bought me, the Rizzy highlighter by Anastasia. I'm going to take that on my cheekbones with my beauty blender, the tip of my beauty blender into the wave. Pop in. You know my mom bought this too because she loves it so much. I'm going to take this pointy part of my blender, go down the bridge of my nose, and then stop right here to give the illusion that my nose is smaller than it is. That nose is snatched, girl. I'm just going to use this Physician Formula Fiber Mascara. Okay, it's got a wand just like this. It has actual lashes in it, so it says. Mom didn't buy this mascara, but I bought it when I was with her. My mom made a bet with me that I wouldn't jump in. So I said, all right, I'll jump in this ice cold pool. And believe me, when I tell you it was ice cold, it was ice cold. I said, but if I jump in, are going to buy me the Revlon HD color, matte lip color in Love. She said she would. I jumped in and we went to Walgreens and went on a makeup spree. Let's go into that Milani palette one last time. Flat part right here. We're going to go into this black and we're going to go underneath our... It's just going to make our eyes a little more intense. Mina gave me this. It's the Ciate Glitter Flip in the color Hollywood. You have to let it dry. So we're going to let it dry, dry, dry. While we're doing that, we're going to take our Morphe brush and brush off the bake that we did. Giving things. My son gave me this shirt. It says Godspell. He was in a play. So I'm like keeping this all in the family. We're going to smack our lips together. Do you guys see that? But I'm not done. I wanted to add this special little thing that my mom gave to me. This is the Pirates of the Caribbean. Gloss on one side and then it has a lipstick on the other side. Okay, beautiful lipstick. I'm just going to use the gloss just so I can say I use it. This is the finished look. That glow though. Hey, I hope you guys like this. Please don't forget to subscribe. I love you so much. I don't know how I got so lucky to have you as my mom. God must really love me. All right, that's it for this tutorial. Make sure you subscribe if you like my stuff. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace. Love you, Mom. You're my number one. Bye.